Friends, after font properties and text properties, now we are going to start the margin properties. Now, what are the margin properties? These properties let you decide the margin space around an element. Means in this you can set the margin space around the element. You can set the margin space from the top, bottom, left and right. Here are the some of the properties like margin top. With this you can set the margin from the top of the page, and margin with margin bottom you can set the margin of the page from the bottom, and with margin left you can set the margin from the left, and with right you can set the margin from the right. And for this you can take the value in form of length like 5, 4, 3, any, or any in form of percentage like 3% or take any percentage. Okay, let's see the practical example. Open the margin properties. Now see how can we apply these margin properties. I have just taken some example. For example, I have to write style is equal to inverted commas, as we have discussed. We have to write CSS code under the style tag. Okay, now then apply margin top, then colon, take any value. I am taking value 30%. Okay, then we have to finish this with the semicolon, then apply another margin bottom, then semicolon, take any value. I am taking 30. Okay, then I am taking margin left. Now apply semicolon, take any value. For example, I am taking 40%. Okay, now after that we have to close the inverted commas. Okay, save this. Now run this margin properties. See, with this margin of the elements are set. Okay, for example, I am taking margin top. Now I am taking margin from the top 60%. Okay, then and from the left, see, from left I am taking 10. Now let's see now let's refresh this. Margin from left become less, and top from top become 60%. Okay, this is the margin properties. Okay, now next, close this. Now next is the border properties. Okay, in this we will learn how can we set the border. There are various properties that we can apply. Various type of styles are available that we can apply to the border. Now what is a border? A border means if we want any border around our elements. Okay, then for this we can change the color, style, width and radius for the borders around the elements. Let's discuss various border properties, and first one is border color. With this we can change the color of the border for all the four sides. Okay, for this we can take the value, we can take any in form of value, any color name or color code. Okay, then next is border width. With this we can set the width for the mentioned side of the border. Okay, mentioned side means we can give the side for which we want to set the border. For example, I for example, if I give border left width, I can also give border right width. If I want to set the border upper part of the width, then I have case border upper width. Okay, top width, border bottom width. Next is border style. With this we can set the style for the mentioned side of the border. Means with this we can set the style for the border, like if we want a dashed border, dotted solid border or solid proper solid border, we can give any value which we want. And let's see example. We have to write the property, that is border style, then colon and then dotted. Okay, next is border radius. With this we can set the radius to get a radius for getting a rounded corner border. Okay, for this we can give value in pixels. Let's see practical example. This is border properties. Now I have applied background color red. Okay, now under paragraph tag I am applying this style tag. Firstly is border color. Apply any color. I am taking black color. Then next is border style. Take any style. For example, I am taking dashed style. Okay, then border radius. Border radius is used to set the rounded corner. Okay, give the rounded corner to the border. I am giving 100. Then take any value. Border width, I am giving 10 pixel. Then close inverted commas. Let's say save this, and after that run this border properties. Then let's see this is the output. Means background color is red and border color is black, and we have set border style is dash. Okay, and this is the border radius is rounded corner 100 pixel. We have given 100 pixel rounded corner. Then width is 10 pixel. Okay, this is how can we apply margin properties and border properties of CSS.